Welcome to this tutorial on applying a background effect when using your video within a Microsoft Teams meeting on a PC laptop computer. So we're going to recommend that everyone apply a background effect if you plan on sharing your video in a Microsoft Teams meeting to not only help preserve your privacy, but to also keep the focus on you. So within the calendar tool here, within my Microsoft Teams application on my laptop, I'm just going to choose Meet Now. And then I'm just going to choose Start Meeting. So there's two areas where you can apply a background effect within a Microsoft Teams meeting. So the first one is before you enter into the meeting. Down here in the lower left-hand side of the screen, you're going to see here the little camera icon. So I can just toggle this to on, and you can see me here in the camera, and then you'll see the background effects option right here. So if I choose the background effects, it's going to show me here a whole bunch of effects. The most popular one here is just to blur your background. There's also some other great backgrounds you can choose here. This nice little wintry frozen ice cave scene here. You can go through and select some others here. There's Minecraft. There's a universe one here. It's whatever you'd like. So I'm just going to default to the blur. Now, just above, if you select this Add New, you can actually go on and add your own images here. This is a great option for those of you who maybe don't like some of the options available, don't want to use the blur, and want to add one of your own to personalize the background a little bit. So just you can hover over the Add New, and it just shows you here the max and the minimum size required for the image that you are going to be uploading, as well as the file types that are accepted, as well as the aspect ratio. So I'm just going to choose the one I have selected here to blur. And once you select it, it makes it the default here. And so I can just click X out of the background settings here, and then click the Join Now option here to join into my meeting. Now, if you've already joined into your meeting, what you can do is within the meeting, so here I am again on the screen, and just in the upper part of the screen here, in the upper right hand section, there's the More Actions button you can select. So if I select More Actions and go into Apply Background Effects, it's going to again bring up all of those options that we had before for the background. So if at any time you want to change your background, definitely welcome to do that. You can change it here. I like this little frozen ice cave here where I can just press apply, and there you go. So this concludes the tutorial on applying a background effect in Microsoft Teams.